Today we're going to be unboxing the RC Logger RCIX1 Xtreme. It's extreme. That's what it says. And this is the box. So now we're going to take it out of the box. Alright, here it is out of the box. I will say one thing about this thing right off the get-go. This has the most technical manual I've ever seen on any, basically a toy quadcopter. I mean, I wouldn't call this a professional quadcopter. It's toy grade, maybe a little smidge hair above that. But man, I mean, the amount of crap that's in this manual is actually mind-blowing, okay? Whew. Man, words can't even describe all the stuff in this manual, okay? Anyway, let me show you the battery. It's a, I guess it's a 2 times 3 point, so it's a 7.4 800 milliamp hour right there. And here's the quadcopter itself. Has brushless motors. It feels very nice. I got this thing. There's two guys I watch videos, Johnson iBass and PD Tech. They have this thing. And I seen a lot of videos they made with it, and they seem to really like it, so I figured I'd pick one up. Here's a little box. Has the spare props, and there's a couple of nuts on there, and a couple of spare grommets. And the charger, I forgot to mention that. It's kind of unique looking. Anyway, you plug this into the USB port of whatever, you know. And then you plug the battery on here. See how you get that on there? Yeah, and then that snaps on there like that. And then this light will be on. And then when it's charged, the light goes out. So that's how that works. It's kind of a weird looking charger. Never saw one like this before. I mean, I've seen USB chargers, but not one like this. They give you a package of stickers that you can put on. I will probably use those. And then here is some kind of, I don't know what this cable's for. I think it's for hooking up some kind of FPV camera of some sort. That's what my guess would be. But it seems to be pretty nice. I mean, the build quality on it is pretty good. There's not a lot to it. You know, the legs are nice and flimsy, so they won't crack, which is a good thing. The arms are stiff, so you could break an arm, but at least the legs, you're not going to crack them because they're like a rubber. It's like a rubber plastic compound on the legs. Now, to put the battery in, it has this little Velcro strap. You open that, set the battery in there, kind of like the original Bebop one, how that had that little Velcro strap, which I had to buy new ones because that thing took a dump. So when you plug it in, the power comes on. There's no on and off switch. There's the light, so that tells you where the front of the quadcopter is. Here's the transmitter. It's a nice little, just like a PS3 joystick. And it takes a few batteries, 2 AA batteries, or AAA. They go in the back, right there. They actually came with it. That was in the box. So we're gonna fire it up. Now I'm not gonna fly it in the kitchen here because I actually don't think I would ever fly this thing in the house, to be honest with you, because I see PD Tech taking off with it all the time. It shoots off like a rocket ship. Okay, so it would probably just go right into the wall or something. It looks like it has a pretty fast takeoff to it. Okay, it's binding up now. Okay, so it bound up. I fired up the motors for you so you could hear it. Okay, you want to hear it again? Has some strong sounding motors on it, I'll tell you that. Anyway, there's 3 modes on this thing. There's a mode button right here. You got beginner, intermediate, and expert, which that's not me. So I will probably start it in the beginner and then go to the intermediate. And then it has this altitude hold button over here. It's kind of like fake altitude hold. You get it to the altitude you want, you press that button, and then it disables the altitude stick. So if you was to move that, it wouldn't go up and down anymore because you have it locked in to that certain height. There's a couple of Sky Viper products that do that too. So yeah, it seems real nice, man. It seems real nice. It's a nice quality build on it. Yeah, looks good, man. I can't wait to get it out, but the weather here has been just it's been so terrible. You can't get nothing done. Nothing. Zero. Zilch.